Get to know why NeuronWriter is the best AI writing tool for you. NeuronWriter is an AI-powered content generation platform that helps you create engaging and original content for your business. NeuronWriter uses artificial intelligence to help you generate high-quality writing. It's powered by natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, which means it can create anything from blog posts to landing pages without human intervention. The tool was designed with writers in mind. It's easy to use and produces results indistinguishable from human-written content. You can use it to quickly generate articles, blog posts, and other types of content without spending hours or days writing them yourself. NeuronWriter uses state-of-the-art artificial intelligence algorithms to generate unique and engaging content for your business or personal use. The software can produce over 10 million unique variations of text by combining different words, phrases, sentences, and paragraphs from its database, all with the click of a button. What is NeuronWriter? NeuronWriter is a copywriting platform that uses artificial intelligence AI to create custom-written content. It can write blog posts, articles, landing pages, and more content optimization. NeuronWriter is an AI-powered copywriting assistant that can help you get more traffic to your website and convert those visitors into customers. By using the platform, you'll be able to create content that's more engaging and better optimized for search engines than ever before. It is a revolutionary AI writing software that lets you generate unique, human-like content in any field or topic. NeuronWriter leverages the power of artificial intelligence to create unique and engaging content. It extracts information from your website and uses it as a base for writing relevant articles on your behalf. NeuronWriter isn't just another article writing tool or text generator, it's a complete content marketing solution that helps you attract new visitors and increase engagement with your audience. The system can be used to write articles, blog posts, and other types of content for any website. With NeuronWriter, you don't have to worry about creating new content daily, just let the system do it for you. What is the purpose of NeuronWriter? NeuronWriter is a powerful AI-powered text generator with the ability to generate high-quality content for your business. Using advanced machine learning techniques, they have developed a system that can create unique and relevant articles in minutes. NeuronWriter was created to help businesses automate their marketing efforts by creating engaging, on-brand, and unique content. NeuronWriter can be used for many purposes, but the main goal of its development is to create a tool that can be used to generate content for websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores. The primary purpose of NeuronWriter is to allow you to create content quickly and efficiently. It will help you create unique articles and blog posts for your website or social media accounts, which often need help to write. What are its features? NeuronWriter is a text generator that uses artificial intelligence to write content for you. It can write any text, such as blog posts, articles, and even emails, using AI. NeuronWriter has been tested on various types of data, and it has proven to be able to generate high-quality content with a minimal amount of training data. This means you won't have to spend hours creating your training data. NeuronWriter is a neural network-based text generator. NeuronWriter's features include generating original sentences and paragraphs with a single click, the ability to edit the generated text before saving it with Markdown support or copy/paste it into other applications. The ability to save generated text as an HTML file can be used in any application that supports HTML files. The ability to export generated text to a CSV file and open it in Excel or Google Sheets for further editing or analysis. How NeuronWriter works. NeuronWriter is a software that helps you write better. It uses artificial intelligence to generate text, which you can use to improve your content using NeuronWriter and also to use SEO. NeuronWriter can help you write articles and blog posts faster and more efficiently. You don't need to worry about how to get started or what to write about. Give it your topic, keywords, and a few sentences of inspiration, and let NeuronWriter do the rest. NeuronWriter works by analyzing your content and understanding its meaning to know what writing style fits best with what you're trying to say. It then uses this information to generate new content similar to your original piece but better. NeuronWriter uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing to analyze your content and suggest improvements. It can also generate new ideas, create a blog post, or help you with copywriting. NeuronWriter uses artificial intelligence AI to generate text. This means that you don't need to write anything yourself, just select the topic. And NeuronWriter will produce an article or blog post for you in minutes. How to use NeuronWriter. NeuronWriter is a web-based artificial intelligence AI service that automatically writes content for you. It's an AI writing assistant that can generate unique content for your website, blog, ebook, or any other project content. NeuronWriter is powered by an advanced neural network trained on hundreds of thousands of texts from various sources, including books, blogs, and online articles. The neural network can mimic the writing style of these texts to produce new content with a similar feel to what you're looking for. NeuronWriter is a simple and powerful tool to help you write better and faster. NeuronWriter uses artificial intelligence to analyze your writing style, learn how you write, and generate content similar to yours. NeuronWriter will help you save time on repetitive tasks such as writing emails, articles, blog posts, or any other type of content. NeuronWriter uses an algorithm that analyzes input data to determine the best way to generate new content based on available information. Conclusion: NeuronWriter is an advanced AI writing tool that will save you plenty of time in your content creation efforts. Try it out for yourself to see how accurate and capable it is. If you're still unsure, don't worry. All the content you create with NeuronWriter is under your control and can be altered or deleted anytime. For more detailed information, please see the description below the video.